Hey everyone, welcome back again in the session, guys. In today's sessions, we are going to discuss about having clause. In the last sessions, we have going to discuss about the group by, right? Now we are going to discuss about the having clause. So having clause is work with the group by output. So how the having clause is working? What is the use of it? So it is used to filter the result of group by after aggregation. Okay. So main use of having clause is that when you want to filter the result of group by output, right? For example, I want to find like we did in the group by like department wise salaries, right? We did the department wise salaries, right? So what I want to do, I want to find the average salary. Oh, sorry, I want to print salaries or the total sum of salaries, those salaries whose salary is greater than 60,000 like that. So what I mean, when I want to filter the group by output, okay, on that case, we are going to use having clause. We cannot use on that case where condition to filter it, right? As we now till now we discuss, we can use where condition to filter, right? To filter the data. But this time we are going to use having clause. Having clause is work as a filter for the group by output. Okay, you can never use where with the filter of group by output. Okay, let's say this practically, then we'll get better understanding. Okay, so let's start with the practical implementation. So for example, this is my employee table, right? And I want to print the department wise salaries. So right here, select D number and average of salaries. Comma average of salaries from employee. Okay, select D numbers, average of salaries from employee. Okay, then what I will do, group by and group by what I want, D number. Okay, semicolon. You can see when I run this code here, I getting the department wise salaries. Okay, department wise average salaries. Okay, let's give us some column name, new column name as salary. Okay, as salaries. So here I get the total average salaries department wise. For first department, average salary is 55,000. For fourth department, average salary is 31,000. For fifth department, average salary is 33,000. Right. So now here you making a filter, right? You said that I want to print department wise salaries and I want to print those salaries whose salary is greater than 30 to 32,000. On that case, what I will do? So can we use where? Let's try the where. So what I can do, I can write here, select D number, comma, average of salary, okay, as salary from employee, okay, group by D number, okay. Then I write here, I want to print those rows whose salary greater than 32,000. That is for fifth department and first department. Their salary is greater than 32,000. So if I try it here, where, uh, where salary greater than 32,000. Let's see, will it work? Can you see where at the where it is giving an error syntax? It is giving warning. Okay, let's execute this code. You can see there is the error in SQL syntax. Okay, that means we cannot use where as a filter. Sorry, for the group by output. Okay, we can use where before group by. Okay, but after group by operation we cannot use where. Okay, that is the issues. Okay, so on that case, how we can filter this? We can use having clause. So what is having clause? You can see here. For having clause, you can see same syntax, right? After group by, just write here having and the condition. Like you write where and the condition, replace where with having. So suppose if I write here, uh, let's comment this code. Okay, I write select D number, okay, comma, average of salary as salary from employer. From employer, group by D number. Okay. Okay. Group by D number. Then I write here having salary greater than 32,000. Okay. Let's execute this code and let's see. Can you see? It is printing all those rows whose salaries is greater than 32,000. Right? Can you see this? It is printing all those rows whose salary is greater than 30,000. That is for first department and fifth department. So I hope guys, these points are clear how we can use having clause to filter the output of group by. Okay. So having mainly used as a filter for the group by output. Okay. So I hope guys, this section is clear how we can use group by. Okay. So suppose you said that I want to print this data as ascending order. I want to print this data as ascending order. So how we can do that? We can use order by, right? Let me write the query again. Right here, select D number, comma, average of salary. Okay, as salary from employee group by D number. Okay, having salary greater than 32,000. Okay, then I want to arrange this output as ascending order. So what I can do, I can write here order by salary ASC. Let's see the output. Can you see? It is printing in ascending order. For department 4, 5th, average salary is 33,000. For department 1, average salary is 50,000, 55,000. Okay. So now the next one is that let's add one more condition. What is condition? Condition is that I want to find department wise average salary for male category. Okay. What I mean? Let me execute this code. I want to find average salary for male category for department wise, each and every department. Okay. So how we can do that, right? So remember, department wise, there is category wise salaries. Okay. So query will be right same. Okay. Can we use having? No, we cannot use having because the filtration is performed before group by. So when the filtration is performed before group by, then on that case use where. Okay. If you want filtration after group by, then use having clause. Okay. So let me write here select D number, comma, average of salary as salary from employee group by D number. Okay. Here we want to group on department number, but group by will be applicable only for the male categories. So filtration is done before group by. So what I can write here? I can write here where sex equal M. Okay. And then once the filtration is done for male categories, then I want to apply group by on department number. Okay. Then I want to mention having salary greater than 32,000. Okay. Then I want to order by salaries ascending. Okay. Let me first, before without order by, so that queries will not look complex. I will add order by letter. Okay. So let's select this queries and execute this. So you can see I get department wise salary. Okay. Department wise average salaries whose salary is greater than 32,000. Okay. Now this time what I want here salary is printing, average salary is printing for gender category male. Okay. Not female is not considered is here. Then I want to arrange this ascending order. So on that case, what I can do, I can add ORDER order by ASC ascending order. Okay. Order by and salary. Okay. Let's enter. Query will be next line. That will be better. Press enter. Execute this code and you can see I get department wise average salaries ascending order. Okay, for male category. Okay. So in that way, we can use where as well as having clause. Okay. So here in this code, what we have learned, we can use where condition as well as having clause together. Okay. So please note down this point, guys. Having will work as a filtration for group by output. Where will work as a normal filter that we can apply before group by. If you use where condition as a filter after group by, you will get an error. Okay. That will be not supported. Okay. So I hope everyone, this section is clear how we can use having clause to work as a filtration for my output. Okay. Suppose, let's see one more queries. Let's take one more example. If I want to print select star from project, select star from project, or let's say select star from works on. If I execute this queries, okay, it's S works on. You can see it is printing for different project. Okay, different hours is working, right? For project 1, 32.50 hours was committed. Project 2, 7.15. Project 3, 10 hours. Project 10, 10 hours, and so on. Okay. What I want to print those project number. Okay. Let me write this queries. Want to print those project number whose hours is greater than 50. Okay. I want to print all those hours whose total hours of project whose total hours is greater than 50. Okay. So that I want to print, or whose average hour, whose total hours and average hours. Second question. Whose average hours? So how we can do this question, right? So here, what I want to do, I want to find project-wise total hours, right? Project number is categorical, hours is numerical. So what I can write here? I write here, select P number, comma, right? Sum of hours, right? Sum of hours from which table? Works on. Okay. So I select this column. Then I will write group by P number. Okay. Group by P number. So let's see. Execute this code. So I get it here. I get for each project. For first project, total hours 52. For second project, total hours 37, and so on. So what I want to print those projects whose hours is greater than 50. For example, 55 this one, 10, 30, and so on. So that means I want to filter. So what I can write? I can write here. I write here as total hour. Okay. So now I have to filter having total hour greater than 50. Okay. Let's execute this code and run it. So you can see I have these three projects, 1, 10, and 30, whose total hours is greater than 50. Can you see? 55, 52, 50 for first 10 and 30. Okay. Similarly, if someone say, I want to print those project number whose average hours greater than 50, so you can write same queries as it is. Okay. So let's copy this code and paste it. So this time I will write an average hours. Okay. Group by P number having average hour greater than 50. So I change this something. I change the aggregate function, right? I want to do average of hours as giving a shortcut name, column from table, then group by P numbers and having average hour greater than 50. Okay. So let's select this and execute this code. Okay. So here That means there's a no project whose average hour greater than 50. Okay, then let's see how much that. So what I can do, let's see what is the average project hour for each project. So you can see average project hours like 18, 20s, and so on. Okay. So let's see. I want to print those average hours is greater than 50. So let's replace 50 with 50. Can you see here? Here I get for each project average hours that greater than 50. Can you see? 26, 25, 18, 18. Okay. So you can see for each project average hours is greater than 50. Okay. Similarly, if someone say, what can you print the maximum average hour for which project number? Okay. The question is maximum project hour for which project number? Okay. In which project the maximum hours is given? Can we print? Yes, surely we can print. What I can do, remember what we can do, we can arrange this in a descending order. After that, because when you arrange this in descending order, the maximum value will come at the first row. So on that case, we can use limit command, okay, to print the first maximum row. What I mean, let me show this practically. Question is that want to print that project whose total hour is maximum. Want to print that project number whose total hour is maximum. So how we can do that? So I will write here select P number, comma, sum of hours, okay, as total, okay, from table name works on, okay, group by P number. Okay, select P numbers, sum of hours as total from works on, group by P number. Okay, then what I want to print maximum hours. So what I can do to print the maximum hours, we can arrange in descending order. So I can write here order by total DESC. Okay. Then I will write here limit 1 semicolon. Let's execute this code and run it. Can you see? This was the project number 30 whose maximum hours is 55. Okay. So top project which have maximum hours is given is project number 30. Okay. So I hope everyone this point is clear how we can use having clause with as a filter after group by. Okay. So in that way, we can use group by and having clause together. And this is an important concept for the interview purpose, guys. Most of the questions is asked in an interview like group by and having clause. Okay. So in that way, we can use group by and having. Okay. Having is always group by, and where we can not use after group by. You can use where before group by. Okay. So I hope everyone the group by and having clause is clear. So thank you everyone.